Now we are going to talk about color of selection and color of background. For that, let's put a shapefile, a layer here, and I will put the Aceh district, the district in Aceh province, Sumatra here. Okay, now we go to settings and option here. This is the default appearance, but it's overridden by the project properties. It means when we change here, say to blue, here blue, and okay, it doesn't change anything. Okay, so it doesn't change anything. So let's see the project properties, and in general we can click the background color here, and we see here the blue, the default color that we have set it in settings. So we can choose the default color here and click apply. Here it is blue of the background, but as you can see that this is Aceh province, the most west location of Indonesia in Sumatra. So around Aceh is sea, ocean, but not here. This is land, soil. This is North Sumatra province. Okay, now let's put a layer again, one more layer here, and there we can see three provinces added here, but again this is not right because this is West Sumatra province, but here is Riau province, so we cannot use also this because the Riau province is not flooded. Okay, so let's put the provinces in Sumatra, and there. Now it's complete. So this is the right one, that Sumatra Island is surrounded by the ocean, the blue one. Okay, and what about selection? So let's click here, let's select. Nothing here because we haven't selected the layer first. Now it is selected, it is yellow. Now let's change to maybe purple. Yeah, here purple, and okay, see it's purple here. If you want to make it default, we should click setting here, and our background we use default color here, but it is not changed to white because it is overridden by the project properties. So let's see project properties again, and we refer it to default, and the selection color we revert it to default. Okay, and there. Okay, I think that's for changing the selection color and the background color. Thank you.